Welcome to Homebuyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of Homebuyer School. Today I'm joined by Eddie D'Ambrosio, a real estate agent with RE/MAX Elite. And today the question we're going to answer is, should my first home be an investment property? So Eddie, let's say I'm a first-time home buyer. What if I want to, should my home be an actual investment or something that I can maybe rent out or maybe flip out for later?
Yeah, I mean, there isn't really a reason to say no to that question. I mean, if you have an opportunity to invest in real estate, then absolutely get started. And at the same time, I think every home is in itself an investment. Yeah. You know, they say that one of the greatest investments that you can make is in real estate.
My dad always says that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, well, and when you think about it, if you are buying that first home, you may be currently living at home, you may be renting another property, and so either way, especially if you have a rent payment, that money that you pay towards rent is actually paying someone else's investment. It's paying down their mortgage. Yeah. So as soon as you invest in real estate and you have purchased that first home, you're now investing in your future by paying down your mortgage. You're building equity in that property, and that equity can be used for great things in the future, like maybe stepping up into that next property. It can be used for renovating this home that you purchased and improving its property value. So, you know, absolutely, either way, buying your property is an investment.
So regardless if you live in it, look at it as a rental property, or even looking to flip it later on, it's still great regardless.
Yeah, you know what? Absolutely, home ownership is more profitable than renting. You pay just paying down your mortgage in itself is an investment. But for those that do decide to purchase a property, their first property, and rent it out, that's great too. Now you have someone else paying down your mortgage, and they're paying to build your equity in that property. So absolutely, if you can do it, then why not?
Perfect. Thank you very much, Eddie. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Homebuyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.